Amazing waterfront Greek villa with its own private dock overlooking the Ionian Sea. Villa Euphoria is a waterfront villa located on the Emerald Island of Corfu, Greece. Offering spectacular 180-degree views of the Greek and Albanian coasts, it comprises a main villa and a guest villa with 6 en-suite bedrooms, private balconies, and terraces overlooking the sea. Villa Euphoria is perched dramatically up a private hillside, yet still just a short walk to the beach, restaurants, and shopping. Villa Euphoria is a perfect place for a luxury retreat in utter seclusion with a truly authentic Greek atmosphere. The villa is designed for optimal comfort and wellness, from its 2 infinity pools set on different levels that are joined by a waterfall to its home gym, spa, hammam, and jacuzzi with a view. In addition, the villa boasts a home cinema as well as the possibility for an outdoor movie experience and a private dock for access to the islands via a private yacht or for refreshing swims in the ocean. Comprising 1,000 square meters, the villa can host up to 12 people across 6 bedrooms. Every suite includes a private dressing room, bathroom, and access to a sea-facing terrace. With a large terrace spanning the width of the property, every room including the living room, dining room, kitchen, and office has been designed to create the feeling of oceanside living. The ocean-facing infinity pools are divided into 2 sections, one draining from the terrace into the lower level through an extravagant waterfall feature. To complete the outdoor relaxing area, a pool cabana offers a covered dining area with a bar and a pool shower. A rare glass lift connects the house to the waterfront terrace and private dock, which offers a breathtaking view of the sea, as well as the opportunity to swim in the ocean. 2 separate areas have been carved out of the rocks to provide outdoor spaces for bathing and lounging in the sun with sun loungers and parasols.